Water Quality in Coral Reefs by Dina, Brennan, and Andrew. Polyps are several inches in diameter. The corals survive off of plankton and algae. They live in warm and shallow water along the outside of the reef. As they die, they become hard and new polyps grow on top of it to enlarge the reef. They can reproduce either asexually or sexually. The parent plant releases a large amount of eggs and sperm into the ocean. They breed while free-floating in the ocean in a planktonic form. They grow by constantly reproducing asexually at a very slow rate. Coral reefs are found in warm water habitats. Most of the world's reefs are located on islands near Asia. 25% of marine species settle in coral reefs. Animals live in coral reefs for the warm climate, protection for small fish, and an abundant food source. Some of these animals include butterfly fish, spiny lobsters, hawksbill sea turtles, sponges, and parrotfish. Corals host algae in them to use as a food source. High pH levels will cause the corals to be stressed and could cause them to bleach. Turbidity controls the amount of light the coral food source gets, and if turbidity is high, then the algae could die from a lack of photosynthesis. Corals require warm temperatures to survive. Low salinity could bring temperatures down and hurt coral reefs. Low dissolved oxygen is harmful to the reefs because species need it to survive. Human pollution, such as river runoff, is harmful to coral reefs. Fossil fuels can raise CO2 levels, hurting the reefs. Overfishing affects coral reefs by affecting the food chain and throwing it off balance. Blast fishing is throwing dynamite, killing a large supply of fish. Divers can take an organism out of the ecosystem and take another organism's food source away, causing that organism to die off. We can protect the coral reefs by just not overfishing, not letting our cars run, conserving water, and just leaving the beaches alone in general.